could travel the world, but no one can groove like the girls with the hooves. Once you party with ponies, you'll be seeing rainbows.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Ryan Reacts. Today's episode is A Bird on the Hoof. Let's get started. And we're at Fluttershy's cottage. Oh, she's taking care of a wounded mouse. Finally helping the world's crippling mouse shortage.
No time at all. Aw, you're welcome. Happy to be able to help.
Let's hope she doesn't come to our world. Help New York with its rat issues
Found a watch?
in reverse.
You wanna be a watch? You're running.
And Alice in Wonderland joke.
No, you're late.
Mm-hmm.
I'm late for a very important date.
Yes, of course you had to say that exactly like that.
Oh, the princess is here in Ponyville for a party, and we all promised we'd be there, but I'm not there. Oh, do I look alright? Do I need to bring anything? Maybe I shouldn't go.
Get going. Move it.
Starting. I'm missing it. Oh, thanks, Angel. I mean, if you hadn't reminded me, I might have not remembered, and then I would be there and everyone would be wondering where I was, and... Oh,
Angel.
I'm late.
As bratty as you are sometimes, Angel, sometimes you're also kind of like, seem like Twilight's babysitter. Or Fluttershy's babysitter.
See you later.
Sorry. Because Fluttershy sometimes just needs to be reminded what she's supposed to do. I guess she gets distracted and... I don't know, sometimes it does seem like Angel is doing what he needs to do when it comes to Fluttershy, because Fluttershy has her issues when it comes to dealing with people and social issues. So it's, as much as a little bratty troll as he can be, sometimes he's actually, I gotta give him hand it to him for being, helping Fluttershy out. And we're at Sugar Cube Corner.
Do to get to be one of the princess's royal guards anyway. Is the pay good? Hello? Anybody
The English guard routine.
Ooh, you're good. Too good. I'm bored.
Yeah. I always wondered why that was a thing, trying to make them laugh. Just sitting there and standing around while people said or did nothing always seemed like just kind of a waste of time.
Never mind. I'll go home. It's all right, sirs. She's on the list.
I'd rather go talk to people who want to laugh.
Thanks,
and make them laugh.
I'm so glad you could make it, Fluttershy. It wouldn't be the same without you.
How's every pony doing? Good? Good.
Anything else we can get for you, dearies? I mean, esteemed guests.
Everything is fine, Mr. and Mrs. Cake.
Sorry I'm late. I had to finish taking care of a patient first.
Oh, you and your tender, loving care of little animals. I just know Princess Celestia is gonna love that about you. I mean, I hope she will.
Of course she will.
Of course she will.
Wow, Twilight.
What, would Celestia prefer you to be like a torturing little animals or something?
I just want the princess to approve of my friends.
But she's met us all
God.
before.
And read about you in my letters. But this is the first time she spent any real time with you. I want every pony to make a good impression.
Well, I'm sure you have nothing to worry about. Besides, it's just a casual get-together, right?
Don't touch me! Watch the dress! Careful!
Oh my God, it's her Grand Galloping Gala dress.
Ooh, that looks delicious. What is it? Oh, does it stain? Keep it away from me!
Or perhaps not that casual.
He's having a small breakdown.
Which is the salad and which is the appetizer again? And which am I supposed to eat first?
I don't think it matters, Applejack.
Oh, never mind. I'm not hungry.
I think that salad might be the
It's
salad,
okay,
though.
Twilight. So
Just
our
a
friend's manners
thought.
aren't perfect. I doubt the princess will even notice.
Of course.
Chocolate fountain, goodness.
Pinkie pie. Chocolate covered pinkie pie. Yummy. Of course.
A thousand pardons, Your Majesty.
That's quite all right, thank you.
She takes the tiniest bite ever.
Empty teacup at 4 o'clock.
I see it, honey bun.
Oh, thank you.
Not at all, Your Highness.
Okay.
Oh, but of course, Your Majesty.
Oh my god. I don't know why, but that is my favorite social interaction in the
And what
entire
about you,
show.
dear? Fluttershy,
Or
is
one
it?
of them.
Me?
Just Celestia
Yes,
trolling the
Your Highness.
cakes.
I understand from Twilight Sparkle's letters
I
that
don't
you
know
enjoy
why, but I
tending
just
to the
love
needs
it.
of woodland creatures.
Yes, I love to take care of animals.
As do I. As princess, I care deeply about all creatures, great and small. Nothing means more to me than the well-being of all my subjects.
Except for that one, apparently.
Wilhelmina, my pet, you're awake. Do say hello to our gracious hosts.
Oh, my.
She is quite a sight, isn't she?
Yeah.
I,
Quite a sight.
I've never seen anything like it.
Neither have I. Certainly, unless it was lying on the side of a road
Really?
dead.
Well, if I must. I'm sorry, every pony. I'm afraid I have to cut the party short.
Hmm.
The mayor has requested an audience with me. Royal duty calls. Thank you for a wonderful time. It's been a joy getting to know you all better.
Nice.
Phew. Now I can eat something. I'm starved.
Nice. Ah, Pinky.
Stay right where you are. All I want is a clear path to the exit. Nobody move, and my dress won't get hurt. Stay back. Back, I say.
And Rarity's being Rarity. Yeah.
Well, Spike, I don't know for sure how things went with the princess, but at least no big disasters happened.
If you say so.
Oh, you poor little
Mhm.
thing. How did you ever get in such bad condition? Don't you worry, Philomena. I'll nurse you back to health. As a favor to the princess, who is obviously just far too busy to care for you properly. I'm sure the princess will appreciate the help. Oh my, we'd better get you to bed right away. There.
Okay. All right. Have you considered either neither or both?
This is far worse than I thought. What you need is some medicine. Stat!
Mm-hmm.
Here you go, Philomena. This will fix you right up. Dr. Fluttershy expected that. Always works.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Almost always.
I've had to feed dogs that were really good at not eating, not swallowing the pill, but making sure they got every bit of hot
There's
dog.
nothing like homemade soup to cure what ails you.
So that trick never worked for me.
Come on now. You're not gonna get better if you don't cooperate. See? It's delicious. Good and good for you.
You say so.
Here comes the choo-choo train. Chugga 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 woo woo! Oh dear. Don't worry, Philomena. I know what'll make you feel better. Wait right here. I have just the thing. Look, Philomena. I brought a fellow feathered friend by to cheer you up. Hummingway here was sick once too.
Hummingway?
Let me help him.
For a hummingbird?
Got better in no time. Didn't
It's a
you,
great
pal?
name. Great name.
Say hello to your new friend, Philomena. Aw, look. I think he likes you. Your turn now, Philomena. Go ahead. You can do it.
You know, that's the reaction I had when I first listened to that song a few times.
I know what'll clear up that tickle in your throat. A humidifier. Refreshing. How's that feeling now for you, Philomena? Better? Oh. That's okay. I know lots of other ways to take care of you. Don't worry, you're gonna get better. How about aromatherapy? Warm bath? Ointment? Scalpel. Surgical tape. Feathers. Oh,
Ah, he looks great
Philomena.
now.
I thought it would be easy to nurse you back to health, but I've tried everything I know. And look at you. You're worse than ever.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Fluttershy. I just wanted to drop by and say thank you so very much for making such a good impression on the princess today.
And there goes the dynamite.
I couldn't leave the poor thing there. She needed my help.
Oh, no. This is bad.
How could I just walk away and not do anything?
She doesn't belong to you.
I had to do something.
Without telling any pony? Without asking permission?
But
I know you had good intentions, but you have got to return the princess's pet.
But you're right. Okay, let's go.
If we hurry, we can put her back before any pony even realizes she's missing.
We were told we could find Twilight Sparkle here.
We regret to inform you, miss, that the royal pet has gone missing.
Oh,
Really? You don't say.
okay. That's not suspicious at all.
It's that dry night air.
But it's daytime.
Fluttershy.
Well, day air's even drier.
Yeah.
Guards better be on your way if you're gonna find the princess's missing pet. Philomena, was it? Thank you ever so much for keeping me in the loop. Bye.
You're not acting weird or strange at all. Well, if they're used to being around Celestia, they're probably used to you being weird, so...
Now?
Why not?
You have no idea what the princess is gonna do if she finds you're the one who took her pet, do you?
Do you?
Well, no. But it can't be anything good. She might banish you from Equestria.
Yeah,
or throw you
right.
in a dungeon.
Of course.
Or banish you and then throw you in a dungeon in the place that she banishes you to.
How about she'll throw you in the moon and
The princess
throw you in a
would
dungeon
do
in the
that.
moon?
Okay, granted that probably won't happen. But do you want to take any chances?
All that really matters to me is that poor little Philomena here gets well.
Aww. God, she's
That's
too
very
sweet for her own good
I'll write
sometimes.
to you when you're banished. Unless I'm banished too somewhere there's no post office, then you'll have to write to me.
Twilight.
Please, Twilight, you just have to help me get Philomena healthy, and then we can return her to the princess. And everything will be fine.
Did you
Oh,
give her any
God.
kind of medicine?
I tried to, but she wouldn't take it.
Ugh, then you have to make her take it. You can't be such a pushover, Fluttershy. You need to show this patient who's the boss. Make her straighten up and fly right.
She can't fly.
No excuses. Done. Okay, what else?
Well, she keeps pulling her feathers off. The ones that haven't fallen out yet from all her coughing, I mean.
Ah, the height of animal indignities.
I don't think she likes it.
Tough love, baby. You want her to get well, don't you?
Of course, but...
Next!
Well, she desperately needs some bed rest, but I can't get her to stay put.
One step ahead of you.
Oh, it's for your own good, Philomena, I promise. Please, just relax and try to get some sleep.
What's this soup over here? Smells delicious.
I made it for Philomena, but she wouldn't eat it.
Oh, she'll eat it all right.
Oh god, now what are you gonna do?
Hey, where are you going? No,
Return to the Benny Hill chase scenes? Yep. That's cute. Oh my god. No, that's too funny. Little Scooby-Doo thrown in. Oh, Mercy.
what are you two doing?
It's too funny.
Oh, can I play? What does it go?
Goodness.
Excuse me.
Hey! Beg your pardon. Put me down.
What in tarnation?
Sorry, but we've got to find...
The princess's pet bird!
There it is.
Philomena!
Looking better than ever.
You'll hurt yourself.
Oh god. Ooh, that's got a set for Fluttershy. Oh my god, I think he might be even meaner to her than Angel was.
What is going on here? Twilight?
Yes, Your Majesty. There's been a terrible accident.
It's all my fault.
No, Princess. Fluttershy didn't know any better. It was my fault.
I'm the one who did it.
But you were only trying to help.
Some help I was.
Will you let me do this? She'll go easier on me.
But it's my fault.
No, it's my fault. No, it's my fault.
Pinky,
What are we talking
don't ever change.
Thanks for trying to
You're
protect me,
great.
Twilight, but Princess Celestia, I'm the one who took your pet bird. I really was only trying to help the poor little thing. Then I was gonna bring it right back to you, honest. So, if you want to banish me and then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to, then that's what I deserve.
Oh, stop fooling around, Philomena. You're scaring every pony.
Okay. Now we can finally get out with it. The first time I watched this episode, I was able to figure out that that was a phoenix pretty much right away.
What is that thing? What happened to Philomena?
This is Philomena. She's quite a sight, as I said.
As soon as I saw it was
Nothing unusual for
sick
a
and
phoenix.
dying, I figured
Isn't
they
that
were
right,
doing the
Philomena?
Harry Potter bit.
phoenix?
A phoenix
Turns
is a
out that's
majestic
exactly
and
what they were
magical
going
bird.
with.
While it appears healthy and happy most of the time, every so often it must renew itself by shedding all of its feathers and bursting into flame.
Mm-hmm.
Rather melodramatic, if you ask me. It then rises from the ashes, fresh as a daisy. All just a normal part of the life cycle of a phoenix.
And the bird is every
I'm
bit of a
afraid
troll as
mischievous
you
little
are.
Philomena here took the occasion to have a little fun with you, Fluttershy. Say you're sorry, young lady.
So, aren't you gonna banish me? Or throw me in a dungeon? Or banish me, then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to?
What?
Of course not, my little pony. Where on earth would you get such an idea?
Yeah.
I guess I have some imagination.
Fluttershy really did do everything she could to try to take care of Philomena for you.
And I do appreciate that your heart was in the right place, child. But all you had to do was ask me, and I could have told you Philomena was a phoenix and saved you all this trouble.
I know. I shouldn't have jumped to conclusions. Next time I'll ask before taking matters into my own hooves.
Should I write you a letter about that lesson, Princess?
No, that's quite all right. I think I can remember.
It's beautiful. Thank you, Philomena. No hard feelings.
Okay. Oh, you're gonna use the phoenix to get him to laugh, huh? Oh, that's just cruel. I think you crossed the line there, Rainbow. Yeah, the thought behind this episode, of course, is always, don't be afraid to ask questions. So often people just, jump on without knowing what's going on and assume that they know the answers and end up doing something really stupid or something that they didn't need to do or going too far. And just getting those answers up front would have just made things a lot better for everyone. It's another good lesson for the show. The show's full of them. Hope you enjoyed my commentary on this. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that. Have a nice day.